Hi guys, so this is the Flagship Vestaboard. It is a fully mechanical smart messaging display. You control it with your phone or computer. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You can control as many Vestaboards as you'd like, give as many people access to use them as you'd like. And right here you're going to see live weather here in Vegas, but you can do weather, sports scores, stock tickers, calendars, connect with Spotify, Sonos. We also have an open API that allows for you to integrate with any third-party platform that you'd like. We see a lot of people integrate with their POS systems in restaurants. We've seen a few people connect with CRMs in their offices as well. Here's a live sports score for you here. The Vestaboard is going to have a 2-year warranty that's going to protect you in case any of these fail on their own. We call these bits. These are fully modular and can be replaced like an ink cartridge in a printer. So if anything breaks, you pop out the broken one, pop a new one back in, good as new. The Vestaboard retails for $34.99. It comes in black and in white. Black is going to have these white letters on the black background, whereas the white will be inverse and have black lettering on the white background. But this is the Vestaboard Flagship. You can find it at vestaboard.com.